Hey guys, how you doing? This is how to change out your bulbs for your AC unit. If you have one that's burned out, you can replace, or if you're like me and wanted a new color. Most of my head unit is all red with the buttons and the dial and everything, so I wanted to change all my lights in here to red LEDs. As you can see, if I light it up at night, it's a pretty dark red. It looks really good. So if you're interested in doing that, you've got 4 lights, right, or not 4 lights, but 4 bulbs right here that you need to take out, 2 on either side. See if I can get you a little more light. There you go. 2 screws there, 2 screws there. So begin by taking them out. Okay. Second one. Okay, and you got your third and your fourth. And last. Alright. Now in order to get this out, to look at it, you actually have to push it in. Alright, and then angle one side out towards you. And make sure these little tabs are able to go on the outside, so you can pull that out. There you go. Now it should show that it's mostly free. Now all you have to do is unhook this harness here and these 2 separate harnesses here. These are all the wires going to all your controls on your front here for the dial, all the buttons. This button right here is very important, right here. You see that wire right there is connected to this arm that controls this button for your cold and hot air. When you disconnect that cable, you need to be very careful not to break it or anything, because if you do, you could risk not having either cold or hot air, and you definitely do not want that. So, alright, and the 3 light bulbs you're going to want to replace, if you're doing all 3, there's one right here, and there are also 2 back behind here that you're going to need to get to. Now if just one of them is out, then it's easy, you just replace one. But if you're like me and you wanted to change to a different color, then there are 3 light bulbs that light up that whole display, and it's as simple as that. Redo exactly what you did to put it back in, and put all your trim back together, and you're done.